Hey, good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at stockmarketmentor.com, and it's Monday, July 27th. Okay, not a bad day for Biogen, unless, of course, you bought last Thursday. You were hoping for more. Look, the company just absolutely blew the doors off of their earnings in the wrong direction on Friday. Bad revenue number, even worse, they kind of guided down. They'd got everybody's expectations pumped up on some drug that suddenly, well, maybe now it's not that great. So you can see what happened to the stock. Here's the deal. I don't think I'm catching myself here. I was going to say, I don't think you have to be in a big hurry to buy this stock, but I'm going to say it in a different way. From a technical standpoint, there's no compelling reason to buy the stock. It's shown you no evidence today that the stock is moving higher. In fact, it's dashed the hopes of the bulls. In the morning, it rallied up, and then the rest of the day, it sold off. Now, there were some bullish articles. JP Morgan, the analyst, whatever, for JP Morgan, and also Bernstein, they think this has been overdone and the stock should be bought. And it was, for about 30 minutes. But there's also some conjecture out there. Hey, with this big sell-off, Biogen is now a takeover candidate. Now, that may very well be, but I'm going to tell you this. If I'm a hedge fund trader, if I'm a hedge fund manager, and if I'm also kind of a scumbag, that's just the kind of rumor that I'm going to try to get out there in the market so that I could dump some of my stock. With that said, you could get a takeover on this stock. But frankly, I just don't know if a company is going to move that fast in a couple days. Here's my suggestion for you. If you're long the stock, there's no particular reason to sell it. But just look at this. The low's $299.76. Let's do this. Let's put a bottom on this at $298. If the stock starts trading, let's say if you're not long, you say, well, I like this trade, Dan. Okay, buy the stock. But if the stock starts trading, it's not like there's some catalyst that's going to cause it to open up at 250. Okay, that deal is already done. But if the stock starts trading below like 298, then I think you want to just ditch that thing and say, okay, I'm out of here. Look for a little bit of a relief rally here. I wouldn't expect much unless there's some buyout, something like that. But it's really one of those low-risk longs simply because you can define your risk really, really tight. Okay, that's it. Members, over to the strategy session. And don't forget about the member question and answer tomorrow night.